Everyone, I just want to quickly introduce us to how we can get started with CostX. In this video, I'll just quickly share my screen so that we can actually learn how we can get started with CostX. All right. If you have installed CostX in your system or you're using the university laptop computers, you should have this icon right there in the desktop, or even if you can't see it in the desktop, on the desktop you can go to this start menu button in your computers, and then you can scroll down, and then you can see this RIB. If you open it up, you will still see CostX standalone, and you can open it from there. So what you just need to do is double click on the icon. If I double click on this, and it will open CostX for me. I'll just wait for it, and once it opens, it will open a window like this. What you can see, the previous work that you have done before, you will see it over there. The latest or the very last work you finish working on will be the very first thing that will be highlighted, and then you will see also the previous job that you did down this way as well. And because we are using educational version of CostX, we may actually not have the opportunity of doing some certain things. There are some functionalities in CostX that we may not be able to do. So the first thing that you do once this window pops up is to create what we call a project, which you can do by clicking on this icon. And after creating a project, then under a project you create a building. But because we are using educational version, we cannot be able to create a project. The only thing that we can do with educational version is to create a new building. So I can just click on this icon to create a new building, or I cancel this, and then I can click on file over here, and I will also see this new here and click on it, and I will see a window that pops up this way. And the first thing that you have to do is to define the properties of that new building that you are creating. So I can just simply say class tutorial is my name of my building, and then I have to select the project, and educational version has given us a default project to work with, so I'll just select that and then leave every other thing as it is and click the insert button, and this will actually open for us. So what I am seeing now is the new building I've created. This dark side of CostX is where your drawings will be displayed, and this upper part of your CostX is where your buildings will be stored. That is, be stored in terms of you creating the folders and you are going to put them there. And this other side of the CostX is where you will be doing your measurement. So once you have created a building like this and you have this view as you can see it right now, the next thing you're going to do is to populate your CostX with the drawings that you are going to be using to do your measurement. So you click on the drawing tab, and then you will see this add button over here. You click on the drop down menu, and you just click on the drop down menu. Just hold on a little bit. Okay, I click add drawing and go to where the drawings are stored. I have downloaded the drawings that we used in the class, so I can pick up this one and open it in my CostX, and this window will pop out for me to give it a name and put a folder. I can create a folder by typing in also class tutorial. Leave every other thing as it is and click the insert tab, and then do the same thing again. Click on file to add the second drawing, and then I'll pick it, which is the site plan, and then open it also and give it a name. The name is already there. I'll just leave it under the same folder, and then I'll click insert. This is how you can bring in your drawings, and you can zoom in, zoom out, and then palm around this side, and you can rotate your drawing by right clicking on the drawing, and then you will see rotate using any of these 90 degrees. It turns to the appropriate view that I want to see. The CostX, I can slide this back if I want so that I can see more views, and you can see this as well. If I go to this other drawing, you can also see it is already here. So this is how you can create a new building and also import the drawing that you will be using to do your measurement. So we continue in the next video. Thank you.